Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a Catch the Falling Stars game in Scratch. So let's begin. As you can see, I've opened Scratch. Now I will delete the cat sprite. Then I will choose a backdrop. From here, I will take the blue sky. Now I will choose a sprite. The sprite will be a bowl, and I will take another sprite which will be a star. Now I will drag the bowl and place it right here, and I will take the star and place it right here. Now I will go select the bowl sprite and now go to events and bring when flag click. Then from motion I will select the go to X and Y block. Now from control I will take forever. Then in the control I will drag the if then block. Here I will go to sensing and I will take the key pressed option and select the key as right arrow. And now from motion I will select change X by 10 option. Now I will copy this and do the same again, but now the right arrow will be the left arrow and the change X by 10 will be -10. You can see whenever I'm clicking the right and left arrows, it is moving. Now I will go to the events. Now drag the when flag clicked option. Then I will go to motion and select the set Y to 187 option. Now I will select the go to random position option and place it after the when flag clicked option and before the set Y to 187 option. Now I will go to control and drag the forever option. Here I will keep the change Y by 10 option, and now I will make the 10 minus 5. Then I will again go to control and select the if then option. Here I will go to sensing and then I will select the touching option and I will make the mouse pointer bowl and then I will go to motion again and then again select to set Y to 187, then go to random position and I will duplicate this code and make the bowl edge this time. And now we want to keep points of how many stars we got. So I will make a new variable which will be score. Now I will take the set my variable to 0 option and place it before the go to random position, and after when flag clicked option and make the my variable score. Now I will select change my variable by 1 and place it right here. If then option, if touching bowl then option, and select my variable again and I will make it score. Now let's check our game is working or not. You can see our game is perfectly working, and if the star is catching the edge, it is going again in the top. And our game is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.